you can see, we are participating in this event almost every year, I would say. And this year as well, we have showcased our comprehensive range of not just the light sources, but also the entire car care and tire inflators and batteries, battery care, and the accessory products. So apart from obviously the more traditional products like socket-based light sources, the LED lamps, the halogen lamps, everything. OSRAM has traditionally been into light sources. For more than 100 years, we have been doing light sources, that is bulbs. And only recently, a few years ago, we have decided to venture into into other categories like accessories, the tire care, the battery care products, and not just in Europe or in Middle East, but also in India. We have launched a complete range of wiper blades and horns and perfumes as well, car fragrances. So this is how it is, and so I would say the technology, as far as light sources are concerned, the bulbs are concerned, the technology has been changing quite rapidly over the last decade or so. So we have seen a paradigm shift from traditional light sources like halogen bulbs to LED retrofits now. And that is our focus area right now, though halogen bulb technology still continues to be our bread and butter, but we are fast transitioning to the LED retrofit. Okay, so we are basically looking at B2B collaborations. We are also looking at some prospective distributors. So as you could see, there's a gathering of convergence of distributors and customers from across the globe. They could be from Europe, they are from Middle East, they are from Africa, obviously from India as well. So we are looking to collaborate globally and make the maximum of this event. Okay, so we can see a fairly a fair amount of difference between the GCC and the Indian markets when it comes to customer dynamics or customer behavior. I'm not talking about the consumer behavior, but I'm talking about the channel partners, the customer behavior. So India is more of is quite price sensitive now, and but yeah, we have seen a paradigm shift in India as well. The customers are becoming more and more aware of the premium products. But in GCC, as far as I can see from this event and after interacting my team as well, I can clearly see that the focus has shifted from the light sources to the accessory products. Apart from India, all other countries are focused a lot on the working lights, the fancy lights, the battery care products, the tire care products, the horns, and the new accessories. So our competitive advantage has always been, or traditionally been, our research and development. We have been focusing a lot on R&D and innovations. And as far as the EV is concerned, we are coming up with new product ranges which are compatible with the electric vehicles, and in future we'll be coming up with more and more technologies. The EV still uses the socket-based light sources. We are already there, and in the future, we'll be coming up with newer ranges. So as far as distribution is concerned, in India, we have a very strong presence, and we have a strong market share over there. And I have a distribution network of more than almost 200 odd distributors, both in two-wheelers and four-wheeler categories. And as far as GCC is concerned, the primary focus is four-wheelers, obviously, not like India, where we have a focus on two-wheelers as well. So it is primarily a car market. And what I can make out from my discussions and what I see from my colleagues is we also have a very strong turnover and a very strong presence in GCC countries as well. As far as after sales is concerned, we do have a dedicated team of customer quality managers who attend to all the customer calls and the customer requirements, whether it comes to product installation, whether it comes to addressing technical challenges. So we do have a dedicated team of after sales. Like I said, we are clearly transitioning from our traditional bread and butter product, which is the halogen bulbs. We are transitioning very fast to other products like accessory products, and in different countries we have different kind of product ranges. Maybe we do a consolidation sometime in the future, but right now we are trying new products in all the markets. And the future looks like it. For almost one decade or so, there will still be a strong presence of halogen bulbs in the market, the socket-based bulbs, whether it is halogen or LED retrofits. But yes, by the end of the decade, by the end of the next decade, I think we would have clearly transitioned from a light source-based company to other technologies in electrical engineering.